Begin our team coverage tonight in Virginia Beach, where I hope everyone is bundled up, including 10 on your side's Ethan Kraus. Ethan, last time we spoke, we didn't see much snow. What's the latest? You look super cold out there right now.
Yeah, Karina, the snow has certainly arrived here in Virginia Beach, and with that snow, there is also that wind. You take a look just behind me, you can see that wind-snow combo making visibility a bit of an issue right now. It's a bit hard to see those buildings that are just across the street. What's also becoming an issue here is the snow sticking to the road, sticking to the pavement. You can see all of the cars going by right now, dropping those speeds down, driving as carefully as possible. Everybody who's out and about right now is bundled up, head to toe, as this winter storm rolls through. The flurries began to drop just after 6 o'clock. By 7, there was a light dusting on the ground. By 8, a layer of white all around us. Not only did the snow arrive, but it brought the winds with it.
Well, I'm visiting and it's snow and I'm
She's visiting from Texas,
yeah.
So it's different for her to see it in Virginia, especially Virginia Beach, but I feel like we're in a Hallmark movie right now.
Sade, Sanette, and Christina had a message to those out on the roads during the storm.
Drive slow, like no matter what, it doesn't matter what's going around, just drive slow, take your time, because it can get unsafe from there.
And it can get unsafe, especially you don't know how to drive in the snow.
The wind is like blowing right now, so go very slow and just be aware of your surroundings for sure.
Yeah.
One group visiting from the Outer Banks says they've decided to stay an extra day to make sure the roads are safe during their trip home.
We want to make sure that we have safe travel for going back home because we are about an hour and a half away, but we're just going to do our best and go really slow.
Yeah, you heard all of those people talking about how they are staying slow, staying off the roads. And once again, we've said it many times, if you are going to be out on the roads, drop those speeds down like you saw those people right here. Drop those speeds down, drive as carefully as possible. And again, if you see public works crews out there clearing the roads, make sure that you are giving them plenty of room to work. And I'll have more on these developing conditions coming up on Wavy News 10, live at 11. In Virginia Beach, Ethan Kraus, 10 on your side.